Many fig trees are native in Singapore, like this red stem fig tree. And in this particular fig tree, we can see monkeys or long-tailed macaques browsing through the branches and the leaves to eat the figs that are ripe or nearing ripeness. So these fig trees are like food courts in a forest. And the Li Kongqian Natural History Museum also said that fig trees are important resource, especially for wildlife. So this is how animals can find their food in the forest.